Oh yeah, this is it, man. Panic mechanic.
Please like and subscribe our page.
Doen ze je in taal. Lekker berikan.
This is the part which we are working on today. We are going to panel beat it. As we are busy, you can see we are panel beating the car. It's coming all right. We thought maybe we're gonna do the part which was damaged, but us as a team, we said no. Let's just paint the whole car. Gosh, this car. It's E30.
Bangri. Peace, man.
But we put V8 engine inside of it. It's running with V8 engine, Lexus. So we did the Lexus conversion. We use it for drifting. We use this car for drifting and spinning. But last time while we were drifting, we had fun. I cannot lie, we had fun, but it really breaks my heart. Look at it. As you can see in the front here, this is the hooks. This is the hooks which we modified them so that when we tow this car, we use a frame. As you see, we took our time to prepare this car. Ta-da! Look at it. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. That's my baby boy. Yeah. Please like and subscribe our page. See you next time.